In January 2024, Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy S24 series. 3 variations, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, are anticipated to be released by the business. Ahead of the introduction, a number of web rumors have appeared with information about the phone's storage capacity, RAM combinations, and color options. A few details regarding the next Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphones have been made public. Like the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S24 will launch with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. There isn't a 512GB model, but there might be an 256GB version available. There will be 256, 512, and 12GB of RAM and storage options available for the Galaxy S24 Plus. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will ship with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, with the capacity to expand to 512GB or 1TB. It is anticipated that all 3 models will be available in black, gray, violet, and yellow hues. Furthermore, credible tipster Evan Blast suggested that the S24 Ultra might be released in limited edition color options, silver, light brown, and green, that can only be purchased online via the Samsung website. The upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC from Qualcomm, which has overclocked GPU and CPU cores, is anticipated to power the devices. Nonetheless, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus might be powered by an Exynos chipset in some international regions. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is much anticipated by tech fans who want to see its cutting-edge features and innovations. The S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will continue to be priced at $800, $1,000, and $1,200, respectively, for the foreseeable future. For the purpose of impressing tech aficionados, Samsung has mainly relied on artificial intelligence. Future models will be heavily reliant on AI, especially to enhance captures. Artificial intelligence will be utilized to improve low-light recordings, according to leaker Bennett Bunner. Users will also be able to alter their recorded sequences by removing any undesired items or parts. The Magic Pixel Rubber, which enables users to remove objects from images without causing distortion, served as the model for this feature. Since removing an element from a video is more difficult than deleting one from a picture, it is unclear how useful this function will actually be in use. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.